Welcome, everybody, to Bertina's Spiritual Sanctuary. Today, we are going to introduce you to something truly divine, a healing modality that's changed my life and the lives of so many others. I'm talking about Angel Reiki. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Angel Reiki and how is it different from traditional Reiki? Well, imagine receiving healing energy, not just from the universal life force energy, but directly from the highest realms of divine light, from your archangels. Imagine being wrapped in their wings, feeling their loving presence, and then allowing them to guide you on a path of deep healing, intuition, and enlightenment. That is the power of Angel Reiki. And the best part, you can learn to channel this divine energy for yourself and for others. I'm offering an Angel Reiki class both in person and online where you can receive the attunements, learn the powerful techniques, and become an Angel Reiki Master. So let's get cozy, light a candle to invite those angels in, and let's dive into this sacred healing journey together. So let's talk about what Angel Reiki is. It's a celestial blend of traditional Reiki and then angel energy. If you've ever worked with Reiki before, you know that it taps into the universal life force energy and it promotes healing. It promotes balance as well as peace. Well, Angel Reiki takes this a step further by bringing in the divine presence of archangels to guide and amplify the healing process. So think of it like this. Traditional Reiki is like a gentle river flowing through you, offering healing and peace. But Angel Reiki, it's like stepping into a golden waterfall of divine light where angels themselves actually assist in the healing, the guiding, and uplifting of you or your client. When you practice Angel Reiki, you're not just moving energy, you're opening yourself up to the unconditional love, protection, and wisdom of the angelic realm. It really is a deeply spiritual and sacred experience, and it enhances your connection with the higher energies. I find that it strengthens my intuition. And the best part was when I started learning this, it began to align me with my soul's divine purpose. So, what are you going to learn in this class? I hope feel like you're being called to work with angels. But really, the question a lot of students have is, how does it actually work? So in my class, this is what we're going to do. We're going to be attuned to the angels. It's a powerful initiation process where you'll be aligned with the angelic frequencies, and it's going to allow you to channel their energy for healing. This is a deeply sacred experience that will open your intuitive channels and strengthen your spiritual gifts. You're going to learn to work with four main archangels, but you will have the gift to call in any other angels as well. But you will be attuned to the sacred sigils and symbols of Archangel Michael, who is the warrior protector. He cuts through negativity, he cuts through cords, he shields you from harmful energies. Archangel Raphael is the healer of all healers, and he brings physical, emotional, and energetic healing. Archangel Uriel is the one that helps you find your divine path. They bring in wisdom and clarity for you to kind of see what is in front of you, where you're being guided to. And then Archangel Gabriel is the messenger. I work with Gabriel when I'm working with intuitive thoughts, angelic readings, any of that. And then also, of course, you will receive the sigils and sacred symbols of these angels to help unlock the deeper levels of healing and spiritual insight. And you're going to receive the attunement to these sacred symbols. We're also going to work on communicating and intuition development with the angels. It's basically meditation to receive direct messages from your angels. You're going to learn how to tune in, recognize their guidance, and develop your intuitive abilities, not just with the meditation, but we will add angel cards to this as well. Angels also work through our chakras, and these chakras are energy centers that run throughout our body. And the angels help clear any blocks, release trauma, and restore balance. So you'll learn how to use the angelic light to cleanse, align, and activate the energy centers in yourself and also in others. And of course, you'll want to use Angel Reiki for self-care for clients or loved ones. And you're going to receive a step-by-step book on how to perform these sessions. And by the end of the course, you'll be an Angel Reiki Master. You're going to receive the distant attunement if you are online, or a beautiful attunement ceremony in person. Everyone will receive a beautiful electronic certificate as well as access to the Google Classroom with all the material. Now, let's think about this. Many times we think about Reiki for healing others, and that's wonderful, but it's also about transforming your life inside and out. Imagine waking up every day feeling protected and guided by angels, feeling empowered in your spiritual path, trusting your intuition and your divine wisdom, and feeling peaceful, balanced, and deeply healed. And the most beautiful part is you don't have to be a Reiki practitioner to learn Angel Reiki. If you feel called to work with the angels, this is your invitation to step into the sacred practice. Now, how do you join the class? Well, if it's online, you'll go to bertina.org, bertena.org, and click on self-paced classes. You'll scroll down to the second one. There's Angel Reiki, and it is for sale there. That is the classroom where you work at your own pace. If you want the in-person class that I'm offering this month, it's February 9th, 1 p.m. at Cosmic Connections in Nashville, Tennessee. Wow. It's from 1 to 5, and new students, it's $199, and refresher students, people who have taken the class with me before, are $99. I'm also going to have my new Angel Reiki book there available for sale for just $10. And you'll receive my prior Angel book, that is the manual for class, with the online class, but that will also be available for print as well. And if you don't want to take the class, but you would love to feel the energy of the angels, come by Cosmic Connections February 9th from 5 to 6 for a free Angel Reiki share. My new students will be really excited to practice their skills on you, and anyone who's interested in receiving this should stop by. So space is limited, so try to secure your space now at yourcosmicconnections.com. Now, are the angels calling you? Remember that Angel Reiki is more than just a healing modality. It's an invitation from the angels to step into your power, to embrace your gifts, and to bring divine light into your world. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. The angels are waiting to work with you, to guide you, and to help you shine brighter than ever before. Until next time, my radiant souls, stay aligned, stay magical, and remember, you're never alone. Your angels walk beside you always.